Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for today, I want to talk to you about mantles. And I'm not talking about the mantle that goes on the fireplace or the mantle from the Bible where they put the mantle on the person's shoulder, basically a piece of cloth for their office and stuff. I'm talking about the type of mantle you use in a lamp or a lantern, like a propane lantern or a multi-fuel lantern to give you light during a camp out or during a power outage. All right. You can thank Tibor for this because he's the one that suggested it or really reiterated it hard when I was doing the one about the alternative fuels for oil lamps. And we went into other type of lanterns and stuff. And he mentioned you've got to have mantles. So whatever type of propane lantern you have, or multi-fuel lantern with white gas, whether it's a kerosene pump up, whether it's an alcohol burner, make sure you have the proper mantles for it and have plenty of them. All right? Okay, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and learn a new skill. All right. And before we take off, I want to put some links up here for some playlists that you can use to help get your neighbors and family members prepared. First, I can put the link to my other channel, Camp Pet and Family Compound. We do a lot of gardening over there. There's some emergency preparedness stuff over there as well. A lot of how-to videos. I'm going to put the link to Prepping for Beginners up here and Prepping in Private down here. And then a video here about canning that I did. All right. Share those out to your friends and family. Try to get them interested in prepping, even if it's just a little bit of prepping, because that way they won't be coming over to your house and taking your supplies from you and your family